Good day everybody, and it's like no air, so let's put some air here. First remove the cover. See? And release this one. It says on the tire too the air pressure, so this one it could be 32, 33. See, it's 35 maximum pressure, 35 psi. That's what it says here, 35. So we can add 35, or we want this spare tire, the back one, it's flat, almost flat, and it's time to fix it. So we'll remove the tire. This is the cover, and we got 1, 2, 3 only. This is the one we can use to remove it. Okay, now we're gonna take it home and find out where the leak is coming from. So first we're gonna add more air here to bring this one to the like full psi pressure, air pressure, and then we spray a little water to find out where the leak is coming from.
This specific Honda tire takes, as you can see, 35 psi max.
That's good. That's 35. Now let's spray water first here. See if there's a leak here. Here's the leak. See that? It's leaking from the edge of the tire, and it's very bad. See? This is easy fix. Stay tuned. Watch how you can fix this at home without a tire repair shop within like not even 5-10 minutes. All this side, from here all the way here, is leaking. Now if we flip, let's check this one. This is good. Flip it the other way. Check this one. Okay, no leak here. There's no leak in this side, only this side. What? It seems like the leak is gone. I don't see leaks anymore. Oh, it was leaking a second ago, but now there's no leak. Okay, can you believe that? Is that the magic or something? The whole thing was leaking, but now I don't see any leak. What happened? Any idea? Please let us know. As soon as I sprayed a little water, I flip it the other way, check the other side, I check this side, okay, for leak. This side was okay actually, no leak here. Then I flip it the other way, upside down again, and check again, and the leak is gone. But this is, I never seen, I don't know, it's really confusing. no leak at all. Amazing. So I guess this is how it's fixed. If you watch this video, you know that's how it's fixed. Basically, all you need is spray water, bottle spray, a little water, and the leak should be gone. But anyway, so I don't know. It's if you have a leak from here, all you need to do, release the air completely. Then use a hammer this a little bit, or use a tire changer tool. Press this one down and use oil tire lubricant. If you don't have a tire lubricant, you can use with a brush any of like cooking oil. It should work, and that's how it's fixed basically. I'll put link description for those leaking tire from the rim. You can watch that video too. But you see this one, amazingly the leak is gone. So I'm really surprised. I don't know what happened. I don't know how the leak is gone. It's just like that. And so yeah, for now, thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. All the best and bye bye. Okay, so you know what, I'm not gonna take a chance. However, the leak is gone, but that's trick. The leak may come back again. I'll show you. See, listen to this air here. See? So you don't need to like tire changer or anything. All you need to push this little bit, like press. See, just like that. Or you can use a like a ply bar like this one. Press here a little bit. See that? There's a lot of rest, and that's why it's leaking. So this could trick me a little bit, but it's gonna come back. The leak is gonna come back again. But this is easy fix. All we need, tire lubricant. Press like that, and use a brush. Put a little bit here, tire lubricant or vegetarian oil, and that will solve the problem. So now this is in an old engine oil, and all I need just a little bit. This will work too. See? Press with your foot like that, and then see the oil will go a little deep there. See, now when we put the air again, this will stick to the rim, preventing any more leak in the future. Just like that. Also, I'm gonna do the other side. You know, since we add oil all around this area here, okay, and there's a lot of rust because this is metal, it's not aluminum, so we might just as well like a little bit brush it, so that's prevent getting the rust very bad, you know. Just a little bit tiny here should be good. It'll help to spread the rest all over. The oil will kind of stop the rest going all over the place. See the tire, while I'm adding air, the tire pushing, see that? It's pushing the oil out. See? You see, you can see now there is a leak here. You see that? Leak, leak. Probably the worst area here. But as soon as I add more air pressure, this leak will stop, because the tire will push so hard against the rim and will stop the leak. Okay, and you know, there is one trick also you can do. Sometimes dirt can stuck here. You can see this dust, dirt, debris, or rust. You see that? You can clean it before you add air. So let's try to clean it a little bit. Or something, a cleaning rag. Press a little bit here, or you can press with your foot like that, and then clean it a little bit. See? Just like that, should be good. Okay. See, there is a lot of see this dust and rust, and that's why it's leaking. See that? Hard brush also to clean. Yeah. There is a lot of rust, dirt, debris, pretty much anything. So I'm using this brake cleaner and spray a little bit, see, and clean here a little bit. So that will help to stop the, see, too much dust. Oh, now the whole tires came out, which is good. That's much better. Now it's easy to clean. Okay, see? Yeah, too much dust and dirt and everything, rust. This is very old tire. My rim is very bad, and that's why it is see, now we can easily clean everything. Now we take the rag and wipe around it like that. That's good. Yeah, no more debris, dust like this. You see this? That's good. But before we add air, we need to put some lubricant, tire lubricant. This is a baby oil. This will work too. All we need a little bit tiny here around it, see? That's it. Wipe it a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Done. Need to remove the inner this valve here, this one, and we need a tool like this one. This is a really good, useful tool. Stick it there. And you need a air gun like this one. You can also remove this like that to push the air one time hard. See? See? Just like that. Done. Now close this. You can put this one back if you want. See? This one goes this way. tight the valve back. Make sure it's not too tight, just enough. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, now we test it. See, no more leak here so far. Leak is gone. Now do the other side. Check the other way. No more leak here. Good. That's how you fix tire leak at home. Nice and easy. Thank you very much for watching. All the best and hope to see you next time. Okay, now let's test the PSI before we put it back there. It was useless. I mean, put air in, but the air is all disappear within a few days because of the leak. Now 32.5, which is good. And just gonna put it back again. Now you need to tighten this a little bit so they don't come loose. Yeah, that's good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. All the best. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos randomly, regularly. You might like videos, so consider subscribe, like and share. All the best and hope to see you next time.